Hi, I'm Alex. In this video, I'll show you how to assemble this small 3D printed case step by step. You can download my model from the link in the description and try it yourself. Here's everything we'll need for assembly. Let's start with the top lid. First, check if the handle on the lid works properly. Then insert the lock into the hole. Next, place the retaining ring into the groove on the lock pin. Finally, check if the lock rotates freely. The next part is the base of the box. We need to remove the plastic supports from the holes intended for the legs. Make sure all supports are completely removed and the surface is flat. Now we'll need glue. I'm using 2-component cyanoacrylate glue to attach the legs. Each hole is numbered to match the corresponding number on the legs. Connect the lid and base using a small piece of filament. Insert it into the hole between the lid and base, then trim the excess, as shown in the video. You can add a bit of glue here to ensure the filament piece stays in place during use. This step is crucial. The lock's counterpart on the base is printed without supports, so you'll need to carefully trim the overhanging filament with a knife. It's just one thin layer of plastic. Test the lock mechanism, and if necessary, trim a bit more plastic from the base. I've printed and tested this 3D model many times, so you can be sure it will work for you. These boxes can be used for various purposes. I store anything from screws to USB drives in them. You can also connect each box to another. First, align the back legs with the grooves on the lid, then the front legs. Finally, rotate the lock 90 degrees to secure it. Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more 3D printing projects. See you next time.